Have you ever went on a dove hunt? No, I really ain't got nowhere to go, or I'd probably go. Dude, I got a spot, man. We got sunflowers planted. You should come.
You should have told me I was gonna need some earplugs. What? Earplugs! You'll get used to it, buddy. We're all deaf. I'm a little bit scared. It's like a war zone out here. You may get sprayed with a few pellets, but you'll be all right. I don't even see any doves flying. Why are they shooting? We normally shoot dragonflies when the birds ain't flying. Ain't that a big waste of money and shells? Dove coming over, make sure to lead him. I didn't even graze a feather on that bird. You gotta be quick. Holy smoke! How many birds is in that pile?